We are pleased to show you the 2026 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, center armrest, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, fog lights, clock. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.